Here we are again with another episode of the XR400AF conversion. I know another month has gone by and I haven't done hardly anything on this. So anyway, I figured I'd give you a peek on the battery box that I sort of kind of tried to make. Anyway, here it is right here. It's removable, just like so. Anyway, just kind of took some flat plates, welded them all up. Yeah, I know it's horrendous welds, but anyway. Yeah, there's the battery tray that I'm going to try to use. Just kind of stuffs right down in there. And I'm planning on putting a couple riv nuts here and a couple on this side to lock it into place. One would probably be sufficient, but I might use two. We'll kind of see. But it sits down below the rails on the subframe, so it should clear the seat just fine. I'm hoping that this added thickness right here won't cause any issues. I guess we'll see when I go to put the seat on. Well, I guess we could try setting the seat on right now and see how it fits, more or less. Granted, this is just the, I don't know if this is the seat for it. Looks like it might be. So it doesn't appear to cause any issues. Let me back up here. Looks like it's gonna fit okay. I think so anyway. Looks like it will fit just fine. So anyway, that's where we're at. Another installment done. I know, I'm hoping to get this thing running in the next month or so before I have to head out to work again. But we'll see what happens. But anyway, I see if I can get down in here to show the clearance between the air filter. It's not showing a whole lot. But there is clearance. It does clear. Barely. So it might crunch the foam down a little bit, but right now, beggars can't be choosers on a place to put this battery. So I know a couple people have, well, at least one person mentioned I should have just removed the tank and put the battery up there, but that would just kind of look awkward, and I figured I'll just leave it symmetrical-ish, and that way I can have the good radiator support up there and a lot of oil. I like a lot of oil in this thing, so more oil, more cooling ability. Yeah, it's still an air-cooled engine, but I'd like plenty of oil. So anyway, it's coming along. Just figured I'd give you guys a sneak peek of this idea that I conjured up for this battery box and the spot I figured to put it. Now, next to that, I've got to figure out what to do with all of that. It's got to go in here somewhere and plug in so I can have some electrical on this bike to make the whole thing work. So, and another thing that I did was I welded a flange onto the carburetor and used a Dremel and built myself a O-ring groove so it can create a seal between the head and this deal that I welded on. So anyway, we're trying to run the FCR carburetor, so hopefully it works out. So anyway, stay tuned for the next video and we'll see if we can get this thing at least running this winter before I head out to work. So there you go, guys.